Sporting a hearty 415 HP V8 and rear-wheel drive, the Chevrolet SS harks back to the big sedan, big power formula of yesteryear. Its red-blooded American image led Chevrolet to make it the company's Monster Energy NASCAR Cup Series entrant from 2013 through the end of the 2017 season. The Camaro replaces it for 2018. While this four-door super sport is inherently old school, its incredibly balanced chassis and bountiful standard features are thoroughly modern. The Chevy's exterior design is discreet on the street, but a snorty exhaust note and a 4.5-second sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour lend credence to its sleeper status. Even better, the standard 6-speed automatic transmission can be swapped for a 6-speed manual at no cost. Too bad the SS is the opposite of fuel efficient and borders on expensive. Still, the Chevy SS is a seriously underrated sports sedan, and it leaves the Mopa duo of Dodge Charger and Chrysler 300 as the only throwback American rear-drive V8 sedans on the market. We're sorry to see the excellent SS go after such a short run. Only the good die young. The biggest news for 2017 is that this is the final model year for this underappreciated Chevy sedan. Despite steady but low volume sales, the Australia-built SS was doomed after GM decided to end production of its overseas counterpart, the Holden Commodore. First launched in 2014, the NASCAR race car was on the track a year before the production version went on sale. The Chevy SS was an updated version of the long-dead Pontiac GA. The SS improved each year, adding an optional 6-speed manual transmission at no cost and standard adaptive dampers for 2015, a revised front end and dual-mode exhaust followed in 2016. Although the Super Sport is unchanged for its final year, the four-door sleeper has left a lasting impression on those lucky enough to experience it. The SS is poised to become this generation's 94 to 96 Chevrolet Impala SS. We'd save the manual, by checking that box, but skip a few other extras including a power sunroof, $900, and full-size spare tire, $500. The SS still has a boatload of excellent standard features, such as forward collision alert, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and parking assist. Adaptive dampers, Brembo 4-piston brake calipers, and a dual-mode exhaust. 8.0-inch MyLink touchscreen with navigation and a 4G LTE Wi-Fi mobile hotspot. Heated and cooled front sport seats with 10-way power adjustment. The final sticker on our Chevy SS is $48,620, which includes a gas guzzler tax of $1,000, $1,300 for the automatic equipped SS.